Okay, ma'am, slow down. What are we looking for?
My dog, he's a big Siberian Husky, white and gray, blue eyes. He's got a red collar. He just collapsed. I can't see him anymore.
Copy that. Stay inside. Keep warm. I'll bring him back.
Please.
Here, Pop. Rusty. Come on, girl. Rusty. Nothing. Rusty. You can hear me bark. Damn it.
Hey, buddy. Easy. You're okay. You're okay. Heart strong. Still warm. We're gonna get you out of here, all right? Freezing my ass off out here saving a dog for content, and people still don't follow the channel.
You all right, buddy?
His eyes are open. That's it, boy. Riley! Oh my God! Riley, thank you so much.
You got him back.
He'll be fine once we